This is a Java NetBeans Hotel Management project, and in this project we will see the framework and the tables and designing of projects and source code of projects. Uh, and in this video, in the last, we will create the report file with the help of button. Yeah, in this project we had something just yeah, these are labels of this in this project. We have used reference id, first name, last name, address, mobile number, email id, date of birth. For the date of birth we will use the checkbox. Okay, I'll show you in command prompt in run file. Date in, date out, nationality, gender, room number, etc., and room types and id types. So we had used 4 buttons in the project: insert, update, delete, and then exit. So this is a design part of this project. Okay, we will show the all data in table. This is a table of this project: reference id, yeah, first name, last name, all the information show in this table. So I'll show you the source code of this project. So these are two options: design and this is a source code. If we want to see design, we will move on this designing part. First, see the source code of this project. So we need to move source code part. Yeah, this is a source code of this project. This is not a very big lengthy project, but in this project I had used mostly database connectivity, data and table connectivity, buttons, command action listeners. So all our important feature I have used in this project. Let's see in from the beginning how to create mainframe in this project, how to create just a minute, how to create public class. Okay, this is a public class, and I'll show you my first frame. First of all, I would like to run to this project, and I'll show you how to do work in the hotel management my project. We'll see in deep source code, designing code, how to use action listeners, use database connectivity, how to create frames, buttons, create buttons, things. It will take few seconds only. It will run soon. Hotel management running file. Yeah, this is the first frame, and then login id and password. uh, in this project still I didn't use the login and password. I select the directly continue button to another, move to another frame, continue. uh, this is the main project. I show the back end work of this project. This is a front end work. ठीक है, इसमें all of these functionalities working properly. Reference id, first name, last name. Okay, let's fill the all forms. 102, first name, उसमें last name, कोई भी father name, or be any other name we can use here. Address, like set mobile number. For example, we can use anything 1 2 3 4 5 6. Email ID. We had used email ID. Here we can use the date of birth by this is a calendar. So with the help of calendar we can use date of birth, any date we can select it for the examples. And this is date of birth and date in which date will take the any room, like date in date out. So just like 26 October 24 and out date इसमें हम select लेते हैं just like 28. Nationality, any nationality would you like to select, and just like English, United Kingdom. Gender, male, female, other child, like male. Room number, which room number you will select, 1 to 10, it's like 3. Room type, single, double, family room, just like double room. Any ID type for the uh, driving license, passport, Aadhaar card, student ID, like we will use passport. Okay, so now we'll save the all of this data in the table. This is a reference ID, name, you can see here. Yeah, this one. Then we will. Okay, so these are all of the data of users of any client. So in this project we can change with the help of update. We can delete this, we can exit from this form with the help of exit button. So let's insert again. Yeah, so we can delete. Yeah. If we did not select any row, so it will show on the pop-up boxes, select a row to delete. Yeah, then we'll select, we can delete any information. This is exit button. Yes, now we'll see the source code of this project. Let's see from starting. Yeah, we had create here frame 2. Okay, the public version, new frame to set visibility true. For the visible of this frame to we can use set visibility true. Okay, if you will not write this functionalities dot set visibility true, the frame will open but not show on the display. In the background it will command properly, but it will not showing any frame. So we had create here multiple buttons, multiple labels, multiple one table. Okay, so this is a table and button 1, button 3. तो इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर हमने 2 फ्रेम को यूज़ किया है, जिसके में 1 फ्रेम की हेल्प से हमने दूसरे फ्रेम को लॉगिन किया, जो हमारा होम पेज होगा. ठीक है, सेकंड फ्रेम जो है हमारा ये रहा. यहाँ पर क्लास के थ्रू हमने से इनहेरिट किया एक्सटेंड जे फ्रेम को हमने इनहेरिट किया with the help of inheritance. So in this frame we had used 2 type labels in login and password, and j text field equals to j text field j button, button 1, button 2, continue, exit. For the use this frame we set resizable true or false. Sorry, we had used set resizable फॉल्स। तो इसमें हमने फ्रेम को रिसाइजेबल करने की परमिशन अलाउ नहीं की। सेट लेआउट नल किया हुआ है। सेट बाउंड जो हमने फ्रेम का साइज यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट किया, उसकी यहाँ पे कोऑर्डिनेट हम और वाई की कोऑर्डिनेट हम हाइट एंड विड्थ यहाँ पर हमने सिलेक्ट किए। सेट डिफॉल्ट क्लोज ऑपरेशन एग्जिट ऑन क्लोज दिस बटन। L1 को सेट बाउंड हमने यहाँ पर दी। इसमें x और y के कोऑर्डिनेट हमें देने होते हैं। इसकी जो भी हमें लेबल है उसकी हाइट कितनी होगी और विड्थ कितनी होगी, ठीक है। तो वो ये हमने सेलेक्ट किया हुआ है। और किसी भी लेबल को, टेक्स्ट फील्ड को या बटन को फ्रेम पर ऐड करने के लिए ऐड L1 इस फंक्शन को हम यूज़ करते हैं। नाउ यूज़ L2 T1, we had selected T1 set bound 210 10 x और y के कोऑर्डिनेट हैं, and then we had selected height or width, and this is a button function we had declared here x and y coordinate and height and width of first button, and this is second button. On the first button we'll use action listeners to perform the actions on the click of first and second button. We will use both button action listener to click. Button 1 we will use, then we will click the button 1, okay, continue button, then we will click on the continue button, so it will show the another frame. This is another frame, new hotel dot set visibility. This is a we have two frames, okay. One frame is login frame, another frame is main frame. Yeah, this is a login frame, and this is the home page, okay. So on the first button we had used another frame, and the another frame, just a minute. Yeah, and this is a frame 1, okay. This is a public hotel frame 1, and in this frame we will use 4 buttons, private 4 buttons, okay. This button we had used for exit from the form. This will show first of all the pop-up message box, E equals to J option pen dot show confirm dialog. This is the object with the help of this current call to current object. Are you sure? This will show the messages, and this will show 3 buttons on the pop-up box: yes, no, and cancel. And if you want to yes, so if a equals to 00 system dot exit, so this form will be closed. And we have another button is button 3. We have button 1, button 2, button 3, okay. This is a button 1, and this is a button 2, okay, and this is a button 3 4. So on the button 1 we had used click performed to store the data on table, okay. We had created table, default table model 1, okay, default table model 1, j table 1 dot get model dot add rows new objects. In this table, on the click first button, insert button, we store the data in table. So get data, where is from? We will take data from the text field T1, T2, T3 field, okay, okay, the T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, and with the help of date chooser dot get date, with the help of this source code, we will take the data from this dates in this calendar, okay. From this calendar we'll take the data, date chooser second and third, and another one is local chooser one gets selected item. This item, with the help of this source code, will take the data from this selected item. Get selected item. Okay, combo box, we have used combo box here. So with the help of this source code, we will take the data with the help of click on first button, insert button. So this is a third button. I will change the data. We can delete the data from the table. So this is the source code of this project little bit. Okay, so anybody can use the source code and designing code with the help of these videos, and this is a small introduction to any management projects. In another video I'll show beginning to end complete project, how to create source code, how to write source code, how to designing the project, how to create projects in the from the beginning, how to create classes, how to create report files. So in another projects I'll show beginning to end all over the functionality.